Multiple income funnel is one of the hottest online marketing business trending right now. I know you want to start it, but you have some question. That's okay because I got you. In this review, I am going to talk about everything you need to know about multiple income funnel and how you can easily and quickly get started as a new member or a potential member. So, hello, Nikki is here. Welcome and thank you for watching my multiple income funnel review. In this review, I'm going to first start by going over what multiple income funnel is. So what is multiple income funnel? Multiple income funnel is an affiliate online marketing system designed by Mac Mill, and that's him in this picture right here in 2000, and the purpose of it is to facilitate online marketing business. Generally, as an online affiliate marketer, you have to find your own products, learn how to create landing page, sales page, follow up with your customer, and create your own website. So much you have to do to start an online business from scratch. But with this multiple income funnel system, 90% of the work is done for you, and all you have to do and your main focus is promoting the business to get the sales and commissions that you need, which is pretty awesome. So it's very much more easy to do if you're like somebody that already have like a full-time job working 9 to 5 and you only have like a little time. This is like a great business for you because you can still work on it after your work and you don't have to break your you don't have to screw up your brain cells learning for months before you can get this business running. You can have everything set up and start making money while you're working on your normal job or while you're sleeping and so on. So that's pretty awesome. So let's talk about the 4 income streams that are included in multiple income funnel. So multiple income funnel comes with 4 income streams, as I previously mentioned, and these 4 income streams are multiple income funnel itself, because it has its own affiliate program, meaning that you basically get commissions based on referral as well. And the second income stream is Easy One Up. The third income stream is TestBot, and the fourth income stream is Traffic Authority. So I will be going more in details about these income streams in my upcoming video, but for now I just want to focus on how you can get started as a new member looking to join, or if you're like a new member and you really have like no idea where to get started. So this video is what it's about. So alright, so if once you sign up for multiple income funnel, the very first time you log in, you see that this is the main page, and at the very top you see 4 different tabs, and these are classified, or these are organized based on the information that you're looking for. So if you're like a new member, the first tab is what you're going to focus on, the Start Here tab. So you click on it, right, and then right down below you have 4 steps which you need to follow. You watch the very first step. In that very step, let's say you click on it, right, and then you see Mac here. He is congratulating you for making it into the inside. He goes a little bit detailed about what multiple income is all about, and urge you to join the Facebook group. So with this Facebook group, they're like thousands of people out there that are part of multiple income funnel. So they're out there to give support. You ask a question, boom, and you get the answers in the next coming minute. because they are very like active and collaborative out there, which I really love, because you don't feel like you're alone. They're there to help and support you, which is really awesome. So once you watch that, you join the Facebook, right? That's pretty much for the first step, I believe. And then you move to the next step. The next step is where you actually set up your income streams. And then with that, let's say you already completed your first income stream, you move to the next income stream, which is Easy One Up. So you watch the video, and if you feel this is a good income stream that can generate you money, you go ahead and set it up. You go to the third one, watch the video, have it set it up. Go to the fourth one, watch the video, and have it set it up. So again, it's not like obligatory. You don't have to set up all 4 income streams, but if you watch them and you feel like, okay, this is something I can possibly make money on, and I have the means to set it up, then you go ahead and set it up. What I would recommend for most of the time is, so far what I have been really getting my commission from is the Easy One Up and Traffic Authority. So once you have like this, that's like already 3 out of the 4 income stream. So that's pretty good. But if you wanna have all 4 income streams set up, that's great, because the more income stream you have set up, the more money you're making. So if you don't have 1 income stream set up, and then it's like you basically losing out on commission. So it's good to have all 4 incomes set up, but if you don't you don't really have to anyway. So again, you watch the video on each step, and then you follow the instruction at the right side right here to have the income stream set up, and that's pretty much it. And then up here in step 4 is setting up your wallet. Setting up your wallet is basically, you watch the entire video, right? Setting up your wallet allows you to basically connect your bank account into this e-wallet. That way, once you get all your commission payout, it goes directly to your bank. So you do have to get like a direct deposit verification form, or find a way to verify your bank in order for them to approve it. So, but it's super easy. I'm sure you guys already like have verified your direct deposit before, so that's easy cake as well. So you have that set up, and then you move to the next one. The next one is pretty much the back office of the multiple income funnel. So in this tutorial, Mac Mill basically shows you more of the resources that are available in the multiple income funnel, and how you can locate them. So he talking about these tabs up here, like how you can locate information at the right place, what you need to click on, and so much, which is pretty good. So that's pretty much about it when you first starting. Now my own opinion, what do I think about multiple income funnel? Like I said before, as somebody who's super busy with a regular job, I found this as a go-to, because again, I don't have to learn everything from scratch, even though you still have to learn, right? Because you still have to learn, because you want to know the ins and out of your business and find the way to maximize your profit and learn everything possible that you can about it, which is, you see how to do it. The great thing about multiple income is that you can start earning while learning, instead of just learning and taking so much time to even start. So I truly love that about it. I've only joined less than a month ago, and I've made a few, so yes, I can show you. So this is my lead board. These are a number of people that actually visit my page, my promotional page, and actually enter their name to be signed up. And so, and I've had some sales. I had some leads and sales, so which is pretty awesome as well. So I'm super positive about it. And I know that with a little bit more of hard work and knowing the ins and outs of this business, I should be good. Also, there's also some proof here. These are leaderboard. So these people are really like totally crushing it. They referring people, they making sell every single day, and results for commission sales are posted like every hours, I should say, or every day on the Facebook lecture. People are seeing result and are so much excited about it. I'm excited, and I think that if you're looking for a quick way to start an online business, I strongly recommend that you start with multiple income funnel. So that's pretty much for my review. If you have any question, concern, that you would like me to address, please feel free to leave down your comment below. I will, in my upcoming video, I will be doing a review for each tabs and go over details on what's contained in each link, so that you have like more understanding of what's included in the system, and what you expect and so on. So please subscribe and don't forget to hit your notification bell for my upcoming videos. Yeah, thank you, and remember that this is like 2021, everything is online, so multiple income funnel is like an ideal business for this internet world that we are currently living. So it's a great way to start. And remember, you can think all day, but if you don't take the action, you're never gonna make your dream come true. So take action, make that dream come true. It's the beginning, and I wish you all success on your journey and good luck. See you on the other side. All right, bye.